How to stop Snapchat calls from showing on call log. So if you want to stop Snapchat calls from showing on your call log, then what you need to do is just follow this video. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go to your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Once you find it, tap on privacy and safety or security. After that, scroll down and you will see contacts option. Tap on it. On the contacts page, scroll down until you'll find Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, make sure that you remove Snapchat's access to your contacts. Once you've done that, just go back and under your privacy and security, scroll down to analytics and improvements. Tap on it. Make sure that you turn off share iPhone analytics. After you've done that, you should be good to go. Now your Snapchat calls will stop showing up on your call logs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.